The dish today can be prepared at one go, which will be spicy and also non-spicy chicken for one same household that can be done easily by anyone. In this dish we will be using 2 chicken thigh, and I will do like a slit cut and kind of separate this piece on the drumstick and also the portion of thigh. I'll be using a very simple ingredients this time. Oyster sauce, you can get it from any Asian shop, readily accessible. Here I'm adding pesto rosa. I love it because of the thickness, and I'll be also mixing it with the pesto or tomato sauce or what you call noodle sauce in, and this will be kind of mixed together with the earlier added oyster sauce. The portion of the 2 flavored chicken would be kind of going all at this point, and later this will be separated to kind of distinguish between spicy and non-spicy flavor. Here I'm taking one portion of the chicken and splitting this as a non-spicy version. And for the spicy version, chili flake and also chili powder would be coming in. Here my recommendation would be to adjust according to your spice level and so on, or if you want to just leave it non-spicy, it can go as well just as it is from the beginning here. Spicy portion would be now split on its own bowl. It's ready to go into oven. The cooking time you can extend if let's say you want to make the skin slightly crisp. Now nicely done, and the nice part is that you can kind of prepare this meal for the same household that could kind of take spicy at the same time non-spicy food eaters here. So I would say that this is really a time saver and a perfect solution for small families or couple that would like to have different flavors of a dish at one go here. This dish goes well with pasta, noodle, rice, or just on its own. Enjoy!